So you stayed in Russia until 46,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
And
but what happened there, you see, when I was there, this was essentially, at that time I did not know, but this was a kind of a labor camp. Where they sent us, it was a labor camp. Because now I know it was Poselok Novostroika. Novostroika, it means a new structure in Russian. Poselok, it means a settlement. This was the name, and this was in the region of Arkhangelsk. Arkhangelsk is already a bigger city. And it was a river there. And the people who were in this settlement, they were cutting trees and throwing them into the river. Not in a ship or something like that. And the stream of the river was moving them to another place where they were processing the wood. So we stayed there, and there was no doctor there, and there was no school there, because it was a labor camp. It was a prison essentially, but nobody guarded you, because it was forest there, hundreds of miles. Forest. Where are you going to escape? You will be lost. You see, and because it was nothing there, and no doctor, and I remember one time, this was from the Communist Party, they came to this place and they had a meeting, and I remember the word was said in Russian, "Kto nie привыкнет, тот сдохнет." That means the one who will not adjust, he will perish, or he will die. Сдохнет, it means die. And that's what happened to my mother. She became ill, and there was no help. And I don't know exactly what was the illness, but one thing, her abdomen was all the time swelling. And I remember the last day, I was with her all the time near her bed. And she was already weak, and you could see. And I was frightened completely. Why? Because she breathes, and suddenly she closes her eye, stop breathes, and then again, breathes again. And it took almost the whole day until she stopped breathing, and then I understood this is the end. And when this happened, I was thinking, I lost all my life. It was such a feeling. Now I can speak more objectively on it because so many years passed. But I was thinking, and what did I do from there, you may ask? So it was a woman, a neighbor. She decided to take me, and she herself was a Jewish woman. She was young. She was only at that time, you will be surprised, she was 24 years old. And I was 8 years. She will not be my mother. She had already a child, 2 years old. And she already lost her husband. And she married somebody else. This was only in 1940. So I stayed with her